Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to another IB English class. Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Donde quiera que estén. Today we're going to analyze the L sound. The L sound. Many of you have difficulty with the L sound when we use them with contractions. In Spanish, we have only one L sound. Okay, and in English, that L sound that we use in Spanish is called the light L sound. And we use it in words like light, look, listen, okay? The L we use in these words are the same as in Spanish. El sonido de la S, cuando pronunciamos palabras como light, look y listen, es igual que en español. Pero cuando a la L está antes una vocal, como en all, walk, tell, el sonido cambia. La posición de la lengua cambia. Okay? The position of the tongue changes when we pronounce words like all, walk, tell. What is the difference? The difference is this. Look, when we say little, light, look, listen, light, look, and listen, okay, it's the same as in Spanish. Okay, we touch the tip of our tongue, la punta de la lengua, tienta la parte superior o la parte de arriba de la boca. Hay una pequeña presión. When we pronounce words like all, walk, tell, únicamente levantamos la lengua sin que la punta de la lengua tiente nada. Okay? We lift our tongue and the tongue does not touch anything. Okay? The tongue does not touch anything. In light, look, and listen, the tip of our tongues either touches our teeth or the top part of our mouth. When we say all, walk, and tell, the tip of our tongue, we lift our tongue, but we do not touch anything. Okay? Now, look at the words. Look at these words. Real, pool. Real, pull. In this case, our tongue, we need to pull it back. En este caso, aparte de levantarla, la tenemos que jalar hacia atrás la lengua. ¿Ok? Para decir palabras como real, pull. ¿Ok? Empezamos así y luego la jalamos hacia atrás. Real, pull, y luego la jalamos hacia atrás. Okay, we pull it back. Real, pull. Okay, so there is a teacher called Rachel, and she has a YouTube channel called Rachel's English. Rachel's English, and a blog also that I recommend so that you can further, if you want a further explanation for this, okay? I want to make another video, so I want to explain this a little bit before. So if you go to Rachel's English and look for L consonant, she has a very detailed explanation on this, okay? And she classifies the L sound in three parts, which I do agree. The light L and the dark one. There's actually two dark L's. Okay? All, walk, tell. That's one. And the one you pull back, real, pull. Okay? Now, Spanish speakers need to be careful because sometimes in one word you can have both L's and they're pronounced differently. Little, 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 depending on how you say it. Okay, so this is a light one and this is a dark one. Okay, so pay attention and let's just recap the L sound. Okay, the L sound is composed of two main parts, the light part and the dark part. In the dark part, we can divide it into two parts also. Okay? The one where you just lift the tongue and the one where you need to lift and pull back. So, the light one is the same as in Spanish. Light, look, listen. You have no trouble with this one. But with this one, you have trouble. Awe, walk, tell. Con estas tienen más dificultades. Porque no es igual a la L del español. Nada más levantan la lengua. Awe, repeat, walk. Sin tentar nada con la punta de la lengua. Tell, tell. ¿Okay? Y en estas palabras, aparte de levantar la lengua, la tienen que retraer un poco. Reel, pull, pull, como si el sonido fuera hacia adentro. Y hay palabras, and there's words, that have both sounds. Little, little. Okay, very good. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Leave your comment below. Like, share. You know the deal. Ya saben, right? Por favor, subscribe. Dejen su comentario, es muy importante. Y nos vemos en el próximo video donde vamos a ver las contracciones de will. Okay, a petición de varios de ustedes, teacher, make a video about the contractions of idle, heel, will. So, okay, I'll see you.